In this video, we're going to show you how to install SGUDA Smart Lock. Please follow steps in this video for installation. Please note that do not put the batteries in yet. If you put them in before your lock is installed on the door, your lock may not work properly. SGUDA lock fit with most standard door width from 1 3/8 inch to 2 inches thick. Let's get started. First thing to install is a deadbolt. Make sure the up arrow is pointed up. You can adjust full length by twisting the deadbolt to make it longer or shorter to fit your door. And then insert the deadbolt into the side of the door. Attach it to the door with screws on either side of the deadbolt. Make sure the bolt is retracted. The latch hole is horizontal and should be centered in the hole. You may begin to install the exterior assembly on the outside of your door. Make sure the thin circle in red is on top. Take the wires underneath the deadbolt. Then press the exterior part in the hole. Make sure to keep holding the exterior assembly on the other side until you secure it with screws. Next step, install the mounting plate on the inside of your door. Run the cable through the smaller hole in the mounting plate. Attach the plate with 2 screws that are right bent for your door. Next, remove the cover. Plug the wire into the connector on the back of the lock. Make sure the thumb turn is pointed away from your door frame and the bolt is retracted. Then press the lock into the hole and attach the lock with 3 screws. Insert the batteries in and put the cover back. Finally, test and see how it works.